the Recruiter. Place card face down in round effect. At the end of the game, randomly draw 2 faction cards from either deck and play one of your choice instantly. So, it is now round 6. I'm going to play this, and it's going to stay there. The opponent has the opportunity to remove it, but right now, we'll say they didn't. And then round 7, round 8, the game is over. Then we go into the round effect mode. I flip it over and I say, okay, I get to draw 2 from your deck or 2 from mine. In this example, we're going to draw 2 from our own deck. We're going to play one immediately. Well, Nocturne would allow me to take one of their recruits to my allies and give them a card, but obviously those aren't good cards, so we won't play that. And we'll go ahead and play Deuces Wild, which will allow me to say, move this out, +2, +1, +1, and that can be a game-changing move. So the Recruiter, by default of getting a nice random legendary, became a legendary card. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.